jump into this life, falling through the rings of sunshine, explore and fantasize, picking a fit for this ride, trying out all styles, and don't leave any friendships behind. Add a final touch, snap a photo so adventures can rewind. The world is full of surprise all the time. Make a wish and your dreams will come to life. Soaring high into the arms of clear blue skies. Roam the fields so green, the breeze is picking up. It's time to rise. The star will be your fine delight. The dress brings out your smiling eyes. So hold still and your courage will leave stars plenty behind. Soaring high, the day's so wild to be doing and dead. With your talents, make some friendships and feel alive. To harvest joy and sunlight, to navigate the blue sky. So much more ahead in life. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Together till infinity. Yeah.
Nikki! Get up here. Pick out a dress for the ball. You're going to be late.
Okay, Momo, just be careful. Really though, what I have on right now is great. Besides, I don't even have a date.
Nikki! This dress looks perfect, yeah? Don't be a downer. I'll put it in your bag. Oh, I found another one! I told you so. The dresses hidden up in the attic are super special. But do you remember when we used to live here? Mommy never let us come up. So weird.
Momo! That hurts. Momo, are you alright?
I'm fine. It's me after all.
Feels like this outfit took us to a strange place.
You mean clothes with special powers? I heard fairy tales about things like that when I was little.
The miracle outfit. You possess the threads of reunion. Come to me. Come to my chamber.
What? Someone is calling to me.
She mentioned something about a miracle outfit. Is she talking about the dress you're wearing?
This voice, it seems to know a lot. Momo, let's go look around. I wonder if anyone lives here. Ruins everywhere.
Watch out!
We're stuck. What are we gonna do?
Feel the presence of whim, then unleash the power of the floating outfit. While wearing this blue dress, you can leap over obstacles with ease.
I feel so light and airy. So this is whim?
Nikki, a monster!
That is an Essling, spawned from dark essence. Awaken the whim inside the green dress, and use this purification outfit to banish it.
Whoa, that dress rules! The monster and the chains from the dark essence are all gone!
The power feels similar, but the abilities are different. This is the most amazing dress ever!
Nikki, the Esslings are everywhere!
I think they're blocking us, but why?
I don't think you're making it to the colony.
Maybe this is even better. This place is way more fun. Although, we really don't know what's waiting for us up ahead.
Use the power woven into the threads of reunion. This will open the temple gate. Since the Heavenfall, Aina, the Curator, have been imprisoned here for 1,000 years. Now, as the world's ball comes to a close, you chose now to step on the stage.
It's the outfit. It brought me here.
This outfit, the threads of reunion. I used to dance with its owner. Those were the good days. good. A warm and courageous heart. The perfect harvest. Accept this gift from Aina the Curator. The Heart of Infinity will grant you immeasurable power. In return, you will lose something.
Please wait!
Journey to Mirrorland and revive all the miracle outfits. With the return of the outfits,
What? Nikki!
you will have the power to save this world. Perhaps you may reveal a truth that even the gods could not uncover.
Nikki! Nikki, wake up! Nikki! Oh, you're awake! You passed out for a whole day.
Momo? I think I was dreaming.
Not a dream. We were really sent to the middle of nowhere!
Mirrorland?
Yes, that's the name. We're stuck. My little pillow. My barbecue! All the money I've been saving. And your graduation ball! It's all gone.
I remember something about miracle outfits and saving the world, or something like that. Well, at least we're still together. Just think of this as a graduation trip.
Nikki, staying positive is great, but we need to be careful. Something feels off about this place.
The goddess with the eye patch. She must have sent us for a reason.
Yeah. You're right. Let's get out of here and look around. Here you go, Nikki. Your backpack. All right. Strap it on and let's get going.
Something feels tight in my chest.
Is it the Heart of Infinity?
Mm-hmm. I know it's a divine blessing, but my body seems to be rejecting it. What a beautiful star. What is it? This power surging through me.
Nikki, what's wrong? You're not moving.
I'm fine. I think it's called a whim star. It's the embodiment of whimsicality and inspiration. When it fused with the Heart of Infinity, I felt an indescribable power. It was mysterious and deep.
I suppose maybe Whimstars are the power source for the Heart of Infinity. Then we should focus on collecting more of them along the way.
Yeah. When I received this blessing, I acquired the floating outfit sketch.
Really? That awesome blue one?
Right. That one makes me as light as a bubble. I can float through the air with ease.
Whoa, that's great, Nikki. Hurry up and make it. Hey, we already have those. Nikki, before you woke up, I went out and picked some red fruits nearby. I didn't expect we'd need them so soon. Nice! With this, a mere cabinet can't stand in our way.
My first ability outfit. It worked. Wearing this, I can float nearly anywhere. Yup. This place must have been magnificent. I wonder what happened to make it so desolate.
It's the Esseling! The vines around it are gone. Oh, we better be careful.
If only we had that purification outfit. Let's find 2 more Whimstars, and then let's hope that the Heart of Infinity helps us with the sketch.
Nikki, look, there's a Whimstar! Hey, Nikki, guess what? I can actually help you locate hard-to-find Whimstars. Move your mouse left and... There it is! Press F to lock onto this Whimstar. I'll keep an eye on it. Let's go get this Whimstar. And don't worry, I'll let you know about any new Whimstars that I find.
The wind through the ruins, the room covered in dust. Infuse 2 Whimstars into the Heart of Infinity, and let the magic happen. I acquired the sketch for the Wind of Purity outfit. Let's go. Time to craft.
We need to find materials. We've got everything we need. Time to make the Wind of Purity. All right, the Wind of Purity outfit is done. Watch out, Esslings, here we come! Ha ha! Whoa, these murals look ancient. Nikki, look! See that fancy stained glass window?
Huh? What's this? That's a lot of Esslings! What are we gonna do? Combining floating and then plunging together to purge them all. Worth a shot.
Fear not! The Stylist Guild is here to help! Huh? Where are the Esslings?
We just purified them all.
Really? Wow! That's awesome! Silly me! I'm Dada, head of the Flora-Wish Stylists Guild. For any Wishfield stylist questions, I'm your girl.
I'm Nikki, and this is Momo, my best friend.
Yeah. I'm Nikki's BFF.
Such a cutie pie! You're a stylist, but you're not from around here.
What's a stylist?
You seriously don't know? The short answer is, stylists use whim to style and can craft clothes anytime, anywhere.
I can do all that, and also purify Esslings.
You must be an awesome stylist! Well, even skilled stylists need to be careful, especially now. Florawish was hit by a series of mysterious coma incidents. I came here looking for leads. Nothing unusual, though. The only unusual thing is the sudden increase of Esslings.
That's why we ran into so many along the way.
Hang on.
Huh? What's that?
Huh? This? It's a whim tech assistant created by the Stylist Guild. It's called a Pair Pal. Every stylist has one. With Pair Pal, styling is perfect. That's what Bebe says. She's my little sister. She works for the Florawish Stylist Guild, too. The Stylist's Aid Request signature page. Oh, darn it. I locked it in the cabinet. I need to go back. Bebe's calling. I gotta run. Nikki, remember to find me at the Florawish Stylist Guild. You can register and get your Pair Pal.
Oh, okay. Will do. Wish field? Flora wish? Maybe it's a perfect place to make a wish. What are these? So sparkly. But they look tainted by dark essence. This must be Flora-Wish.